So this is the Royal Melbourne Showbags haul. So we bought 3 show bags, which is the candy craze, the licorice, and this one I'm excited about, which is the mystery bag. We don't know what's inside. So let's open it first. The licorice. Let's see what's inside. Alright, that's the licorice. That costs $10. This one is the licorice all sorts. And let's see what else inside. It's the chocolate bullets. And then the next one is white raspberry bullets. Oh, nice. Then the raspberry bullets again. The other one is white chocolate. And then this is the licorice bites. Look at that. It's all yummy, I think. The next one is raspberry bites. Alright, that's how many already? That's 6. Is it 6? So there's one more, which is the licorice twist. That's it?
Yep.
So it's like 7 licorice lollies for $10. So let's do the next one, which is the candy craze. Let's see what's inside the candy craze. This one cost $12.50. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, that's a baby dinosaur. Wow, look at that, cute. What else inside of that one? This is Fizzy Friends candy, 60 grams. It has lemon, strawberry, orange, and peach. There. It's lollies. Then what else is inside? What's this one? Fruit Treat Chews, 37 grams. It has strawberry, cherry, and blackcurrant. There you go. There's one more. Oh, there's 2 more. There's 2 Milky Way chocolate. And then there's also M&M's. Small M&M's and then small Mars. And there's more. What is that? That's Whiz Fizz original sherbet. Oh, there you go. Alright, what's that? What else? Tiger bubblegum, 40 grams. That one. What else is there? Fizzy Splash Chew Bars, 100 grams. It has strawberry, lemon, orange, and peach. Alright, that one costs $12.50. Alright, I think that's worth it. And now, the moment of truth. The mystery bag. Let's see what's inside that mystery bag. This mystery bag cost just $5. So, let's see what's inside. Let's check first one. How many inside? Oh! It has this one. A hat for kids. Look at that. Bucket hat. Paw Patrol. For kids. Oh, this one is for kids. Oh, I thought it's only one thing inside. It has also scratch art. Look at that. 10 pages. Paw Patrol as well. Oh, it's all Paw Patrol. And then a bag. A cooler bag. Bluey cooler bag. Let's open. Is that a cooler bag? Yeah, it is a cooler bag. You can put your kids' lunch there. Or sandwich. Yeah, that's cute. That's only $5. That's it?
That's it.
That's it. I think there's more. No more? That's it for $5. That's alright. It's only $5. Alright. That's all we have for this year's show bags. Alright, that's it. There we go. It's all in the floor. That's it.